This is a compact device, but with a large screen. Impossible, right? Well, it folds, and it's made of ultra-thin glass, thinner than a single hair on your head. And the hinge doesn't just open and close, but stays put. With quadruple can technology, protected by corrosion-preventing materials and sweeper tech. For the pesky dust and dirt you never see, it's all hidden beautifully. So now you can hold your phone any way you like, or not at all, and then fold it away.
First, we invented the folding smartphone. Now, we've reimagined it. Technology. It's crystal clear, stunning inside and out. When folded, Z Flip's the size of this, and this. But when folded open, it nearly doubles in size.
Whoa.
Standing out and getting people talking.
What's that thing?
That thing is a hideaway hinge. It's our smallest yet, and our most durable. So it lasts. Fold after fold after fold. You get the point.
What about dust?
And dirt.
Simple. We built a tiny mechanism that helps protect the phone. We call it sweeper tech. It works with cam motion to let your device move freely, locking in any position. From here to here. Exactly. Now all smartphones take photos, but not like this. Z Flip changes the camera experience. It's more than the perfect picture. It's a brand new way to use a camera.
This is the most important part.
And since Z Flip stands up,
What do you want?
you can chat like never before.
Try something new.
But when you're finished talking,
I'll call you back.
you have the screen space to do more. Built from the bottom up, you can control an app on the lower half while viewing it on the top. Or do two things at once. And if all of that is not enough, Z Flip lets you take the cinema with you.
Go on.
Its display is 21.9 by 9.
Go on.
That's like 15% more screen.
Impressive.
Z Flip isn't just a smartphone, it's a breakthrough. With a design that stands alone, it changes the shape of the future by putting a smaller shape in our pockets.
Working with the shadows, echoes flowing, colors glowing. Dream away in the diamond sky, shining bright, beautiful.
Pourquoi dire quand on peut faire? Je me perds dans mes pensées. Écoute, juste écoute. Moi, écoute. Je suis là. Je suis là. Tu reviendras, car je suis là. Je suis là.
Hello? You ready?